Privity of contract and privity of estate. Okay, let's look at an MBE question. Remember, when the tenant assigns something for the remainder of the lease term, the assignee is liable on privity of estate with the landlord. Why? He's living there. The tenant is liable on privity of contract. Why? Because the tenant still has a contract with the landlord. He assigned the remainder of the lease term. So they are both liable if nobody pays rent. Okay, let's look at what happened here. We have a landlord. He leased an apartment to a tenant by a lease of 2 years, $700 a month. The tenant moves to another city and doesn't consult the landlord, and he assigns his friend the remaining 9 months of the lease. He assigned the full remainder of the lease. The friend makes the 4 monthly payments to the landlord. Okay, remember, the assignee pays the landlord. For the final 5 months of the lease term, no rent was paid by anyone. Friend moved out, and now the landlord is suing the tenant and the friend jointly. Can he do that? Yes. Why? Because the tenant and the landlord still have a lease. They're in privity of contract. The friend is living there, paying rent to the landlord. He's liable on privity of estate.